Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about fun writing activities for ages 9 to 11. 9 to 11-year-olds or middle school age, early middle school age kids are very social and really enjoy working with their peers often. A great way to capitalize on this and really help them to learn is through writing workshop. Writer's Workshop or Writing Workshop is a method where the students work together and follow a draft process using conferencing with each other to improve each draft and also to get ideas, help each other to improve their revision process. So introduce the concept of writing workshop with your 9 to 11-year-old students and teach them to call on each other for feedback. This is a really important way to also teach them about communication. Some other ideas about writing projects that they'll really enjoy are to think about the types of media they enjoy taking part in. This could be publication, plays. They could produce news stories or write news stories or write commercials. They really enjoy mimicking some of the media that they themselves are exposed to. Some argumentative essay topics that they might enjoy are defending their favorite sports team or defending their favorite food. So you might give them a challenge to prove that chocolate cake is better than apple pie. And they can really enjoy the activity of coming up with ammunition for their argument. So those are some general ideas about fun writing activities for 9 to 11-year-olds.